blades. I've had one insane week. Look at my car blowing up. The school I work at had an offset, which is our British government sort of inspector. Guys come in, like 7 of them, and he basically walks through all the lessons and check that we're up and running and do everything we're supposed to do. So obviously I was up late most nights making sure everything was dotted on the I's, crossed on the T's. So Joe and I are going out tomorrow, and my favourite to him was to tidy up this knife. A new one by Whitby, and the usual happens. He notices that the blade profile's a little bit skewed. A little bit like this. I'll show you what I need to do, Joe. If you look at the blade this way on, I put it on that camera. I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up. Okay, but looking at the blade that way up across the spine, this is going on. That is the profile that we're seeing, when in fact what we're wanting is that. So there's a hell of a lot more material removed on that side than on that side. So what I need to do is remove on this side and bring the tip that way. Okay, so I'll double check which side it was and make a start. Obviously this is hardened and tempered, so I am not going to make this as hot as possible. I'm going to keep it cool in water and then dress it up on the stone afterwards. You don't want to make the colour start changing on this thing because you'll ruin the heat treatment it has. Okay, so very gentle and keep dipping it in water. Now, as gentle as I possibly can on that really crude sander, you should see that I've got vaguely the same grind now on both sides. I've given him a nice tip, okay, but that really is as gentle as I can go on that crude sander of mine. So now I'm going to go to the stone. Okay, so oil stone, a drop of gear oil, like that. A good video on Ray Mears sharpening that in the field. He goes 8 ways one way, 8 ways another. I'm going to go 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after I've done 4, 1, 4, 1 the other way, I'm just going to go singles. So after I've repeated that over and over, I'll come back in a bit. Okay, so now it's been on the stone and evened up the edge pretty well. Yeah. Pretty good. So let's join me again on a bit of an edge reprofile for Joe on his pokey edged Whitby. Okay, should have had a better edge with it than that for someone with a name like Whitby. Anyway, just got much explained to sign off. Thanks for joining me. See you on the next one. Oh, new toy!